Hey Coma Campus, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making alphabet soup, and plus we have our whole wheat focaccia that we're going to be making too to go along with our soup. So first we're going to start off with our focaccia. So we have our wheat flour, our regular flour, and our salt in this bowl. So next we're going to add our yeast to our water, and then we're going to add some honey to it. So what's going to happen is that yeast is going to eat the honey and it's going to start to bubble up in your cup. That's totally fine. That just makes sure that our yeast is actually working. So the honey is going in our water and yeast mixture, and we're going to pour this all inside our flour. So depending on what we're making, it's going to depend on how much we actually mix our food. With bread, we're going to mix it for at least 8 to 10 minutes. So we're going to start our kneading process, and we're going to knead this back and forth for at least about 8 to 10 minutes. So we want to do that because we're trying to develop our gluten in our dough. So we're going to keep kneading this until it's ready. So I'm going to shape the bowl, and there you have it. So we're going to punch our dough down, and then we're going to shape our dough to the desired size that we want our dough to bake in. So this is how our focaccia looks when it's shaped and have its patented dimples in the focaccia. So these focaccias are ready to go into the oven. So we'll see how these focaccias come out soon enough. So we're going to start to sweat our veggies. And we're not trying to get color here. We're just trying to speed up the cooking process for these veggies. So we're going to season our onions, peppers, and celery. So I have some salt, some pepper, and I have some dried basil. I'm gonna add some dried basil at the end of the soup too. So we're gonna have more basil in this. But we're gonna season to our own tasting. Now we're gonna add our tomato paste. The French term of adding tomato paste is called a pincée. So we're gonna add our tomato paste, and this is going to start to give us that color that we want in our soup. So I'm going to stir this. I'm going to get the tomato paste all over the veggies, and then I'm going to pour in all the rest of our ingredients into our soup. So now I'm going to add my tomatoes. So now we're going to add our chicken stock. This is a low sodium chicken stock. So after this, we're going to add our corn. This is fresh corn that I cut off the cob. We're going to add some frozen peas. Next, we're going to add our potatoes. And our bay leaves. So we're going to stir this. Make sure all those ingredients are coming together. And we're going to season one last time. So the very last thing that we're going to add to our soup is our alphabet pasta that we have here. We're going to make sure that our liquid is actually boiling. And we don't want to add too much of this because you don't want the pasta to overpower the soup. Next, all we have to do is put our lid on our soup, and now we can turn back to our focaccia. So this is how our focaccia looks when it comes out. So now we can check our soup again. We're gonna mix this, make sure that we didn't put too much pasta in, and this is ready to eat. So we have our finished product, our whole wheat focaccia, and now we're going to ladle in some of our alphabet soup inside our bowl. This was fun to make because I love to bake and I love to make soups. And when I was younger, we always had soups and breads to go along with our dinner. So this was absolutely fun. Thank you, Comer Campus, for checking out our video. Remember to like and subscribe, and check out this recipe if you want to make our alphabet soup. Thank you again. Stay safe, stay healthy.